Hi guys and girls, welcome to part 5 of the video course of the Ultimate Operating System in Notion. Today we are going to take a look at the weekly task manager. As you can see on the screen, this is the part that helps you to be very effective during the week. So first, how do we set it up? Well, it's already set up in the Notion dashboard, as you can see, but what you should have by now, if you've done the weekly recap, is have a list of all the things that you would like to do this week. I've made a dummy list. Of course, your own list is probably going to be a bit longer. Important is that you, of course, describe the task and, very important, give it an indication of how long it's going to take. And then finally, like we spoke about in the last part, give it a color that corresponds to the overall category. We do this to view at the end of the week, like I said before, to see what did you spend most of your time on and what did you complete. So you have all these tasks. What do we do now? Now you go into the weekly task manager. I need to close this down a little bit. Yep, like that. And what we do here now is we will assign the task to the corresponding day. Well, let's take a look at a day. There are 5 days in a week, obviously, and a day is comprised of 5 buckets. First one is routine tasks, tasks that you always have to do on Monday. I have a bucket for those because in my own system, which is a direct copy of this, I have things I always need to do on Monday. And I put those in. These are dummy tasks, but you want to have them in there so that you can click and finish them. These are routine tasks. I have them for every day of the week. You probably have them. Add them in because it will be very satisfying to tick those off. And of course, at the end of the week, you need to see which things have you done and which have you forgotten. So those are routine tasks. Then we go to the most important. These tasks are the most important for that day. So there are already tasks in here, but let's say on the Monday, I want to film part 2 of the OS video course that you're watching right now. Of course, you've already seen that. I can fill it in like this. And now it's in this Monday. It's in the system, in the weekly task managing system. So on Monday, if I finish this, I can just click it, done. If I want to do more things below it, I can always add in more tasks, give it a duration. That's always important. You want an indication for how long you think that it will take and add that in. Click it, finish it, and you're done. That's the most important. If you have time left, you can always add in more tasks. Or what I like to do after I have the most important task done, I always think of like, okay, if I have time left for Monday, what else would I want to do? I fill those in here, always keep them closed, always focus on that what you're doing. So routine task, only keep that open, finish all of those, close it down, go to the most important ones, finish all of those, amazing, and go on to when there's time left. That's the basics of the system per day. So you come up with all the tasks in the weekly recap, you fill them in the corresponding bucket, most important, or when there's time left. That's where you fill them in. And that's when the weekly task manager is completed. And now, let's say next Monday, you exactly know where to start because it's always at your routine tasks. Follow the steps down, close them all down, go on to Tuesday. It's that simple. It's very structured and it will help you to get the most out of your time. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.